you have always argued that the African continent is not short of resources or capable people. Sometimes our problem is how we view ourselves, how we think of ourselves. And you even mentioned earlier, some of those problems are self-inflicted. Your Excellency, Rwanda is set to host the Africa Mindset Reset Forum. As we host this forum, I'm wondering, in your opinion, not to speak for any other person, in your opinion, what is that mindset that you want to see Africa change? And when we change it, what do you replace that with? Thank you, Your Excellency.
You want to preempt my discussion? Why don't you wait just another few hours? Tomorrow we'll be together and tell you what I think, so that I avoid repeating myself, right? Actually, part of it I have already said when I was answering some questions earlier. But the mindset, you know, it is. You know, people talk about planning, policy, talk about vision. All those are very, very important. But the mindset seems to be that glue that connects all of them. And the mindset makes these components work well together. So let me leave it at that. The rest you hear from me tomorrow. But mindset is important, and Africa has to do something about it. It has to think of how the our mindset changes, and leverage all the opportunities you have and the capacities, they are there. But the mindset lacking creates a lot of problems for us. Yeah, you can have somebody, imagine, you can have in a country, let's say like ours, the leadership, the behavior of that leadership, matters a lot in how do we deliver on certain aspirations or promise. Remember, long ago, just a quick example here, well, like in many other places, but let me talk about here. Many years ago, we really had the people, including those like in your category, those who are here, who do not do much that they could have done, just because they think it is somebody else's responsibility, or worse still, they think somebody will come from somewhere outside of our borders to come and help, or to come and remind you what you have to do. And then you could find leaders very so efficient in this area, where you would just adoring others for what she or he could have done himself. That's the terrible thing about mindset. Even when all the means are there, you still want somebody to remind you what you should be doing, or to instruct you